I want to snowboard, and Benton's just taking his time. Come on, Benton. Enough talking though. Let's get into that thing we like to do called snowboarding. We closed it down, guys. She's done so. It was sick ripping, buddy.
Yeah, dude. Thanks for the tips.
Oh. What up, Team Buckhouse? We just got to Camp Gaw in New Jersey. Flew in today. Well, tried to go to Big Snow, but it was closed. So now we're gonna get dressed in the back of the truck, which is my least favorite thing to do of all time. It's one of the coldest ways to get ready to go snowboarding. And we have 200 and how many vertical feet? 70?
270.
270 vertical feet of pure awesome ski resort we're gonna get into. So let's get ready. And let's go snowboard. I'm so cold. Oh. All right, guys, this is all it is. Little hill, the chairlift's not even running. I think we got to ride this platter. I'm hyped, especially because, dude, they just got a ton of snow. But it's still pretty much undefeated. No ice on the East Coast yet. So I was wrong, there is a chairlift running. It's this two-seater on this side. So I have two chairlifts, it looks like a magic carpet. Another super eerie nighttime chairlift. And these, Benton says they're woods, it's not a forest, it's the woods. It's super creepy. And by the way, we got Greg. If you don't remember, Greg ripped with us at Big Snow. It was an incredible time. Check out that video from the summertime with Greg. But Greg's gonna be with us the whole time on the week on the East, so you'll be seeing a ton of Greg. And they don't have a park open, but you guys know we're gonna find some stuff to play. Looks like I got some rolls and things. Dude, we're gonna go off, don't worry. Enough talking though, let's get into that thing we like to do called snowboarding. Dude, this little hill is sick. We found a couple hits that we're enjoying and we're just gonna keep sending it. You know what else we're gonna send today, guys? Today's sticker shout out. We got Piggy Smalls with the gold Evolution sticker on the helmet. Looking so sick, man. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. As well as Matt Marparth with the electric sticker and the green sticker on the helmets. Looking so sick. Guys, thank you so much for snagging the stickers. I truly mean it. When you guys grab these Evolution stickers, it supports the dream. I'm able to do these trips because you guys grab stickers. So thank you so much for everyone snagging the more merch, as well as the hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves. When you guys snag all that merch, I can then pay for the lift tickets and the plane tickets and the hotels for these crazy trips. So guys, thank you so much. And we have a hoofed of a trip ahead of us, right, Greg?
Oh yeah.
We got Jiminy, Hunter, and Bel Air all in one day. And then we're headed up to, we're gonna do Stowe, but we couldn't get reservations. So we're gonna do Bromley, then Killington, then Whiteface, then Gore, and then Wyndham. Boom. That's the trip, guys. So be ready for this like video after video after video on the East Coast. And I'm sorry, guys, I still think you're liars. There is no ice on the East Coast, man. Every time I come, it's a POW day. So yeah. We're gonna keep having some fun, ripping some fresh East Coast POW. I'm pretty bummed. They said that if it wasn't a foggy, snowy, insane POW day, you would be able to see New York City tonight. So I'm a little bummed. We could have saw the views, but it's all good. We're gonna keep sending it. We got some more runs in us. We think we have about, based off time, not ability, like 4 or 5 more runs in us, because then it's gonna close down. So we're gonna keep sending it. So if you guys are wondering why we flew from Colorado to ride a single chairlift tonight ski resort with one run, we have a goal to hit every ski resort. These people are going crazy. We have a goal to ride every ski resort in the United States. Camp Gaw is one on the list, you know? So we have to hit it. So we are on a mission to ride all the resorts in the United States. If you haven't checked out where we've gone, check out the top link in the description. It's a map of the United States with all of the ski resorts and the ones that are green we've gone to, and then you can hover over them and see watch the videos from those areas. So you can be like, oh no way, he rode my resort, and then you can check out those videos. But yeah, we're on a mission. We're gonna ride them all. It's gonna be super sick. It's gonna take years to do it. And if every resort cost $100, it'd take $47,000 to ride them all. It's an expensive goal. But we're gonna do it. So we averaged ticket price at $100. Like this was only a $25 lift ticket, but some are like $200 lift tickets. $100, yeah. You know, so buy some stickers, please. Oh, if you buy an Evolution sticker, by the way, tag me on Instagram so I can give you guys gear and sticker shout outs, but also follow my Instagram. I post a bunch of bonus extra content. The stories are not only funny, but they keep you up to date, like with this whole trip and any trips I go on. Also, you can be like, oh, he's riding Mount Gaw or whatever I'm at. I'm there too. I'm gonna come rip with them. So check out the Instagram, follow it for bonus extra content. Ben got a backflip at this tiny ski resort. Woo! After absolutely killing himself, here's a clip of Benton doing something I never recommend, guys. Yeah, don't do that. That was what, 2 days ago? A day ago?
Yesterday.
That was yesterday? So Benton doesn't feel good, but he still threw that backflip for the boys. And so shout out to Benton. Yeah, my number one advice is right before a week on the East snowboard trip to not send a 75-foot jump, 45-foot jump, whatever it is, one-footed.
Probably went about 60.
You took about 60, 70 feet. So yeah, don't do that, guys, before a vacation. Work trip, what are we doing? What do we do?
What, yeah, I think we just...
Bobby calls them vacations. I feel like it's work.
I think we're just goofballs.
I mean, I know you are. Alright guys, this one's chipmunk. And if you don't know what chipmunk means,
it means squirrel.
It's last run. So it's bad luck in snowboard / skiing world to say last run. You don't want to say that. That's bad luck. So we say chipmunk, and just so you know, you guys have been asking for it. I finally did it. I delivered it. Here's a chipmunk sticker for you if you're interested. Chipmunk. That's what we say instead of saying last run, because it's bad luck.
It's bad luck, guys. So just so you know, this is the last run.
Good thing he's filming and not riding. But if I get broke off, guys, we know whose fault that is. But this was a fun little ski resort. The employees kind of sucked. I'm not gonna lie. They were very grumpy. But we had a good time. The vibe was high. We rode with these two kids. We ran into like a whole pack of kids at one moment when I was trying to premiere the video. If you guys don't know, I premiere every single video. So when the videos go live, normally 4:45 Colorado time, you guys can come hang out with me. I'm in the chat talking to you guys. It was a little rough today, but for the most part, I'm there every day in the chat talking to you guys. I love it. It just builds the community. I get to spend 15 minutes with you guys guaranteed every single day because I get so many comments. I get so many messages. I can't reply to them all, but there is a chance on the live streams and on the live premieres I can hang out with you guys, give you some attention, try to answer your questions. So catch me on the live premieres, and they're super sick. But enough talking, enough rambling. We got Chipmunk, and it's gonna go off. Closed it down, guys. She's done so. It was sick ripping, buddy.
Yeah. Dude, thanks for the tips.
Oh, always. If you guys run into me on the mountain, I'll give you some tips.
Yeah, and yours are good too.
You started ripping Euro cars.
Yeah.
Let's go. Gotta get this POW.
Yeah.
East Coast POW. I'm telling you guys, I don't think there's ice on the East Coast. It don't exist. That's horrible for your snowboard. Oh, gross. That's so gross. Look who decided to show up. It's Vinny, the life of the party.
This will be the best week of our lives.
Right? He just decided to show up 1 day late. Ah.
My flight got delayed twice.
I know, I'm sorry, buddy.
It's okay.
It's not your fault. But he's here. And so with the crew is official. We got Vinny, Fenton, and Greg. It's going down.
I brought you some noodles too.
What?
Yep.
I love noodles.
Can we not eat them now?
All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please smash that like button. If you really enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button. Most of you guys are not subscribed, so do it. Subscribe to the channel. Like 80% of the people that watch my videos aren't subscribed. So what are you doing? Smash subscribe. And other than that, Team Buckhouse, this trip's gonna get even better. So thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another video.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, no. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no.